In today's tutorial, we will be learning about testosterone synthesis and its metabolism and functions in female. Testosterone is an androgen, which is a male sex hormone that plays a role in reproduction, growth and maintenance of a healthy body. Although it has been thought of as the male hormone, it is also the primary sex hormone of women. In women's body, testosterone is produced in ovaries, adrenal glands, fat cells, and skin cells. During pregnancy, the placenta may also serve as a source of hormone. In females, during the synthesis of estrogen and progesterones, testosterone are also synthesized, as we have already learned in the previous tutorial video. Then before leaving the ovaries, almost all of the testosterone and much of the progesterone are converted into estrogen. About 1/15 of testosterone is secreted into the plasma of the female by the ovaries. In women, normal testosterone levels ranges from 15 to 70 nanogram per deciliter of blood. Let's see how the hypothalamus pituitary gonadal or HPG axis functions. Sex hormone synthesis is controlled by the pulsatile release of hypothalamic gonadotropin release hormone or GnRH. At the pituitary gland, GnRH stimulates the release of luteinizing hormone and FSH hormone into the general circulation. LH then binds to its target cell, those are leading cells in males and theca cells in females, and increase the expression of steroidogenic acute regulatory protein or STAR. STAR promotes the transfer of cholesterol to the inner mitochondrial membrane and initiates steroidogenesis. At the inner mitochondrial membrane, cholesterol is converted to pregnenolone by the action of P450-SCC. Pregnenolone gets converted to progesterone by 3-beta hydroxysteroid dehydrogenase. Pregnenolone also gets converted to testosterone via intermediate 17-alpha hydroxy pregnenolone. Dehydroepiandrostenedione and 4-androstenedione 3,17-iodine is also formed in this process. In the alternative pathway, testosterone is produced with intermediates including pregnenolone, progesterone and 17-alpha hydroxyestrone. In the blood circulation, testosterone binds to sex hormone binding globulin and is thus protected from metabolic degradation. Testosterone is converted to its biologically available form DHT in the presence of 5-alpha reductase enzyme. Testosterone is metabolized in the liver by 4 different pathways. Route of elimination. 90% of intramuscular dose is eliminated in urine, mainly as glucuronide and sulfate conjugates. 6% is eliminated in feces, mostly as unconjugated metabolites. Functions of testosterone in females. Testosterone not only enhances the sexual mood, but it is also responsible for nipple and clitoral sensitivity. Testosterone in women is essential for bone strength and development, as well as muscle mass and strength. Testosterone contributes to a woman's overall sense of well-being. Signs and symptoms of low testosterone levels are decreased energy, loss of bone density, loss of muscle mass, decreased libido. Signs and symptoms of high testosterone level in women are deepened voice, hair loss, infertility, development of facial and body hair, irregular or absence of menstruation, and it is also known as PCOS. So it was all about testosterone, its synthesis, its metabolism and its functions in females. Thank you.